It's a snack, right? Maybe.
Yeah, good answer.
Yes.
Nakakabungol! From the start!
So it's an English word. Yes. It's two words. And it's a snack. Yes. It can be a snack. Soba, drinks.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Ano time na? What time? What time is it?
Cappuccino. Chocolate cappuccino. Coffee.
Next! Ah, yan na.
Yung madali naman ko.
Food, drinks.
Kasi pag yun, hindi mo maano. Hindi mo Nabukol ka? Oo. Grabe, sumakagulay. Kaya magkakape tayo. Seryoso.
It's all related to Joe's birthday, ha? Related to Joe's birthday.
Ah, ganun pa.
Why you get that?
Bawal yun.
Part of her birthday. Dog food is part of her birthday.
Dog food?
Say dog power.
Ano?
Bakit kayo ka?
Sige na.
Bakit kayo ka nagsabi? Kanina ko pa sinasabi, this game is related to her birthday.
Dog talaga tayo.
Huwag na
Sabotage! Bakit nasa mga orange juice nito? Wala tayong juices. At saka, ano pala makakainin yung dog food? Diba? Kaya mo yan! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, ready? Kaya na timer.
Now.
No. Hindi naman ni Ate Bird. Yes.
And the picture.
Maybe.
Something that you touch.
Yes.
Something that in your birthday.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Now, shadow holder.
No.
Birthday. One word.
No.
Adjective.
Oo, adjective. Verb.
Verb. James.
No.
Game? Do you want to change it? No. Palit. We did it today. We made this on birthday. Right, so we did. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, diba? May okay, ikaw nga sinabihan mo na food. Si Ricky, hindi mo pa naisip. Ricky is vegetarian, so how
Oo nga, hindi. Yeah, he doesn't eat dog food.
veggie food. Mali nilagay mo yung isa doon.
Dapat veggie food, di ba?
Ayun. Because he is vegetarian. So how can you say dog food? You didn't eat dog food. Mali ang tanong.
Dapat,
So, let's go. Mali.
Alright.
Oh.
Now. Timer. Timer starts now.
Oh, yeah, look at English. No.
Person?
No.
Animal?
No.
Oh my God. What else can it be? Occupation? Dress? No. Color? No. Place?
No.
Oh my gosh, ang hirap ano? Yeah.
Or animal or thing? You're missing one. I'm missing one.
One more.
Is it something in the room? Yes. Plants?
No.
Is it a non-living thing?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one, non-living thing.
Is it something that Joe makes?
No.
Yes.
Rats? Camels?
No. Yeah, you're right. She did that. No. 1 minute on the wall.
Is it something that I can see in front of me?
Yeah, maybe. No?
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is not a thing.
Ilang minutes na? Oh, it's a thing.
It's a baby.
Oh, it's a thing.
Think it's a
Diba?
baby?
No.
Oh.
You got this? 30 seconds. See, I told you she cannot see that. I told you. You're confusing her.
I guess that
You cannot see it. No.
I cannot see it. It's like the air I breathe or something. Is it something that we drank?
Jay.
What?
Is it something that we drank?
We could go this way.
Done!
Oh my gosh, that's hard.
Hard.
Are you guys going through? Okay, excuse me.
I thought you were what's up, babe?
So we'll see. Ready, starting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Name? What?
Yes.
Person?
Yes.
English?
Maybe.
Tagalog? Spanish?
No.
France? Name? Person?
Yes.
Jackie? Risa? Joe?
Yes.
Yes, Risa, Jackie, Joe?
Yes.
Usok?
Yes.
kailangan namin sa trabaho.
What? Are you a J?
Ano ba gawin dyan, sis?
Lagyan ng mga pangalan.
Ano nalagay mga pangalan ba?
Ay, wala kang dry erase. Wala. O ano na lang yung sticker. O ano na lang tape. Tape na lang.
Take? Yeah. Go, Tan. You know what their movie is?
Huh?
Right here. Right here. Right here. I guess number 35.
Madam, dito ka.
May libreng disperses. Ang dami ko na sis. Sobra na pinamimigay ko na nga eh. Madam, manalo ko! Wala kang matatanggal ka. Ay, ako, dito ka lang. Ay, naku, so, tala! Like some cake? So, paano gagawin natin? Guys, so we're gonna put on ready. So, each of us, we're gonna have a turn. But there's no like consequences here. There's only one. And the rest are like, for example, spell your name using your body. Something like
Oh
that.
my God.
Bella. Spell your body like, paano ba? Mapa pa naman pala sa akin, Chrissy. Paano ba yan?
Ako nga, R.
That's why ito, Doc.
R. You spell your name using your body language.
Sis, ang hirap niyan, ha?
Paano spell A? Ha? Agro. Spell your name using your body, right? R. How do you spell it?
Yan, ganyan. Sis, mahirap yan.
Margaret Risa. Ang haba. Hindi ka nag-comment sa video ko.
Ito nga, i-end ko na.